Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to contribute to the improvement of any code on my GitHub account. First, sign in to your GitHub account. Next, click on the code repository. I will give you an example using this repository here. So inside this repository, you can choose between the Jupyter Notebook and the regular Python file. For now, I'll click on the Notebook. If you want to check the Jupyter Notebook, the easiest way is to click the Open in Colab button, or simply add to Colab to the code link. Here you can run the code, but any changes you make won't be saved. To submit a change request, click on the Edit button here. For instance, I will replace design with sizing here and send a change request to the repository owner's account. It's very helpful to provide a description of the changes you've made to the code when submitting a change request. Then, you just need to wait for the pull request to be reviewed. If it gets approved, it will be merged into the Jupyter Notebook file. As you can see, these changes were made even in Google Colab. This method I've shown you can be challenging when dealing with extensive changes or trying to locate specific parts of the code due to the complexity of a Jupyter Notebook's raw code. Therefore, I recommend making your edits directly in the regular Python code while using the Jupyter Notebook primarily for running it. Once your changes are approved in the regular Python file, I will update the Jupyter Notebook with your modifications.